10 best IKEA mattresses to buy. We all sleep differently and have different preferences, which is why IKEA features a variety of different mattress choices in twin, full, queen, or king sizes. Whether spring, latex, or foam, IKEA mattresses are designed to offer comfort and support at affordable prices. Here is our best pick for IKEA mattresses to buy. 1. Holmesbu. The gel-infused memory foam cradles your body and keeps a low temperature. Combined with 2 layers of pocket springs and 1 layer of mini pocket springs, you are in for a cool and blissful sleep. 2. Napstad. Memory foam topped with a layer of gel molds to your body just like ordinary memory foam. The difference is that gel takes a longer time to warm up, creating a cooler sleeping surface. 3. Hydrasund. You're right to be fussy about what you sleep on. Natural materials like natural latex, coconut fiber, cotton, and wool provide comfort and pull away moisture. This makes for a pleasant sleeping environment with a cool and even sleep temperature. 4. Hogsvar. A heavenly combination of individually wrapped pocket springs that follow your movements and a thick layer of foam for cushioning comfort. 5. Gelastad. Dreamy thick memory foam and the integrated mattress topper gives you a snug surface that molds to your body. Underneath are 2 layers of pocket springs that work wonders on your sleeping comfort. 6. Haugesund. The pocket springs act independently to follow the contours and movements of your body. Add to this a thick layer of soft filling for even more luxury and comfort. 7. Meistervik. The height and width of this mattress makes it fit perfectly in a day bed or in a children's extendable bed. You will get all-over support and comfort with the resilient foam mattress. 8. Minnesund. The height and width of this mattress make it fit perfectly in a day bed or in a children's extendable bed. Get all-over support and comfort with a resilient foam mattress. Easy to keep clean since you can remove the cover and wash it by machine. 9. Meyerbacke. The memory foam does its magic while you sleep. It molds to your body so you feel snug, and the comfort zones provide pressure relief and support precisely where you need it. 10. Hasvag. Firm meets soft. You get the best of both. A firm support combined with a generous layer of soft filling for cushioning comfort.